Hi, today I will show you how to quickly and easily select an object using the Quick Selection feature in SmartMask AI. Starting from version 13, the program has AI-based selection feature. However, if this doesn't suit you, you can always use the equally effective Quick Selection tool. The tool has three modes: New, Add and Subtract. When making a new selection, the mode will automatically switch to Addition. The size parameter determines the size of our tool, and the tolerance parameter determines how many shades will be captured. Add a selection until you get the desired result. And cut out your object using Ctrl-Delete. It is that simple. Cut and enjoy!